Alright, hello, my name is Rich and welcome to my channel, Light Street Creations, and today we're going to talk about 5 things that you need to start a craft show business. So number 1, you're going to need a product. I know that sounds pretty obvious, but you want to think about what you want to sell, what you want to make. Hopefully you're already making stuff, whether it's crocheting, knitting, glass blowing, woodworking, tumbler making. There's a million different things that you can make and you can put out there. This is what you're passionate about, what you actually care about. This is going to be your product that you sell. So number 2, you're going to need a way to display that product. When you display the product, there's no right or wrong. There's just good, better, and best practices. So I'm going to go over this in another video, but you need a way to display your product so it draws customers in and they want to purchase your stuff. The third thing that you're going to need is a way to, sorry, I can't talk and spell at the same time, way to take payment. So this could be Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal is a good one, and Cash is King, Square, credit card readers. You can go as simple as Venmo and Cash App, or you can go as complex as having an entire register there to take payment. Me personally, I just do the Square card reader. I have Venmo, Cash App, and I think I do Zelle too. So ways I take payment. So the third thing that you're going to need is a way to take payment. A fourth thing that you're going to need is a way to package your item and give it to the customer. So I'm going to call that presentation. That's how you package it up, whether it be a box or a bag, or you wrap it in something and you present it to the customer. Personally, there's a few items that I just hand over to the customer, but for my smaller items, I try to put them in a bag and give the bag to the customer. You can have your logo on those bags or boxes. It's up to you. It depends on how much you're willing to plan out and spend on that kind of stuff. And the fifth thing that you're going to need to start a craft show business is a way to transport your stuff. So I'm going to put move. So a way to transport your stuff from your house to your car, from your car to your craft show booth. You might not always get a good parking spot right next to your booth, so you have to transport that stuff from your car, and it can be very tedious if you have to take trip after trip after trip. So you might need like a little cart or bins or something to hold your stuff that you can move it from your car to the craft show booth. So this is it. This is the 5 things that you need. It's very, very basic, very, very simple. This is what you want to think about. You want to think about your product, what you're passionate about. Number 2, how you display that product and how it looks to the customers. Number 3, how you take payment from a customer. Number 4, your presentation when you give it to the customer. And number 5, how you move your stuff around. So that's it. Very simple. I'm going to go over this in other videos and break it down even further. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like and the subscribe button. That would really help the channel out. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I got to figure out how to turn this thing off.